Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Regina and I have fine natural hair, so that's what my channel focuses on. But today I'm sharing 3 ways to rock this rainmaker ponytail. Now, if you prefer a full wig versus the ponytail, my girl Eboni Elon here on YouTube has a full tutorial on the rainmaker wig. Yes, there is a wig version. So please check out her review. Her channel information will be in the description. My hair is clean and I've already applied my leave-in conditioner. Now, even though I'm wearing this beautiful and affordable drawstring ponytail, I still want to make sure my scalp and my hair are taken care of. So I'm using 2 of my favorite products, the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil Spray, and this Supergrow Hair Grease by Bronner Brothers, which smells so good. Now, my hair and my scalp can get pretty dry if I don't stay on top of it. So I recently shared in my hypothyroidism video, I talked about my experience and how hypothyroidism can affect the hair. So I always make sure to not only use a leave-in conditioner, but any oils, hair greases, and any other moisturizing cream products, that I choose to use. And I make sure to put the grease on my scalp all over and then use the oil spray on my hair for some amazing shine. I realize it may look like I'm spending a lot of time brushing my hair and making sure everything is in place. Well, I am. Just because I'm wearing a ponytail, that doesn't mean the rest of my hair can just look like anything. So I am brushing and smoothing, making sure that my hair looks nice and polished before I install the ponytail. Plus, my brush is a soft boar bristle brush. So it's very gentle on my hair, and I'm really having to maybe use a few extra strokes to make sure my hair is all nice and smooth. What I like about styles like ponytails is that you don't need a lot of extras. All I'm using is an elastic band, my comb, my brush, and a little bit of gel to smooth my hair. And here is the star of the show today. It's the Sensationnel Textured Drawstring Ponytail, and the name is Rainmaker. I got the color F1B30, and this is all that my local beauty supply store had. This is the only color besides 1B, and I definitely can't pull off 1B because my hair is naturally sandy brown, as you can see. I had a little bit of reservation about whether the color would match, and once I kind of put it up to my hair and it took a closer look, I felt pretty confident that it would match. was here that I wasn't quite feeling where the ponytail was falling. It seemed too low. So, quick fix for that. I just took down my own bun, took it up higher toward the crown, and put the ponytail back on. Cute hair and no lashes, I had to go fix that. So I was really feeling this high ponytail. The hair is really soft. The color matches with my own hair. I think it goes with my skin complexion. It's fluffy, if I didn't say that already. Just pleased with it overall. This is my attempt at baby hairs, and I don't typically do them. I don't feel like, they're for me. But since I had all of my hair pulled back up into this ponytail, I figured why not just try to pull down a few hairs and see what happened. And here's what happened. This is the second look that I styled this beautiful drawstring ponytail, and I think it's so cute the way the curls just kind of cascade down on both sides. I really like it, and again, the color is great. I think it fits me. It looks so natural. The texture of this hair is so natural. Look at that. That is fantastic. It is so pretty and beautiful and soft. All right, guys, I'm preparing the third and final look for this Rainmaker drawstring ponytail. So again, I'm smoothing down a few hairs in the front just to give a little flair to the style. And I was pleased with the way that it came out. And I am pulling my hair back into a ponytail, and then you'll see shortly that I just put on my satin, it's not a do-rag at all, but my satin cap. It's not a cap either, but my satin scarf, just to smooth my hair down. I let it sit on for about 5 minutes, and then I took it off. And this was just to help my hair look a little bit more smooth. And here is the final look for this Rainmaker Drawstring Ponytail. I love it. This might be my favorite of the three styles. What I did here is I took a few of the curls and just wrapped it around the base of the ponytail. This wasn't to cover up anything, because once you pull the drawstring tight and secure the ponytail, there's nothing there to see. There's nothing to cover up. But to me, this added just a little bit of flair, and I love it. And I love this ponytail. If you have not tried the Rainmaker ponytail by Sensationnel, go grab one. I paid $12 for mine from my local beauty supply store, so check it out. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.